A for apple. Apple means save. B for banana. Banana means kela. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dinosaur. Dinosaur means dinosaur. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fox. Fox means lomdi. G for giraffe. Giraffe means zarafa. H for hippo. Hippo means hippo. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish means jellyfish. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. L for lion. Lion means sheer. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means khosla. O for all. All means ullu. P for penguin. Penguin means penguin. Q for quail. Quail means quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sheep. Sheep means bhed. T for turtle. Turtle means kachua. U for unicorn. Unicorn means unicorn. V for vampire. Vampire means vampire. W for whale. Whale means whale machli. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. One tiger. Two apples. 1, 2. 3 ducks. 1, 2, 3. 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 fans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 parrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for hippo. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. for nest. O for all. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for vampire. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for ball. C for cake. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jacket. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sparrow. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Let's start to learn fruits name. Apple. Apple. Mango. Banana. Pineapple. Grapes. Apricot. Strawberry. Strawberry. Cherry. Kiwi. Dragon fruit. Pomegranate. Grapes. Watermelon. Orange. Melon. Papaya. Lemon. Pears. Lychee. Guava. Lime. Blackberry. Coconut. Custard apple. Plum. Olives. Fig. Grapefruit. Raspberries.